Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I'm going to make a quick little video to announce the winner of my 500 subscriber giveaway. But before I announce who the winner is, I just wanted to take a moment to truly thank you all from the very bottom of my heart for subscribing to my channel and supporting and always stopping by. It really means the world to me. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Now the winner of this contest is going to win the BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe from the month of June, which has 8 items in it. And I used the YouTube random comment picker to pick the winner, and the person to be entered in the contest had to use the word BoxyCharm Luxe somewhere in their comments. So I went ahead and put that in the YouTube comment picker. And I'm happy to announce that the winner is Carmen Vega. Carmen wrote, BoxyCharm Luxe, congratulations on your channel, keep on growing. And she added a whole bunch of cute little flowers. So congratulations, Carmen Vega. Carmen, please contact me through my email, and I will leave that down in the description box below, and give me your shipping address, and I will get that out to you right away. Congratulations once again to Carmen Vega. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope everyone has a great day. Bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.